Okay, so Dr. Santiago, I could spend all night talking about his achievements, but I'll try to keep it brief. He was 26 years in the Air Force, Vice Director, Aerospace Analysis, U.S. Northern Command, U.S. Space Command, and North American Aerospace Defense, NORAD, from 1999 to 2003. He was the Military Educator of the Year at the United States Air Force Academy. He was the Electrical Engineering Educator of the Year at the U.S. Air Force Academy. And this is something I've experienced learning from him about the leadership philosophy based on John Wooden's Pyramid of Success. And given that the Nuggets are probably going to win another game tonight from the Lakers, I think that's very good. So Dr. Santiago, lead professor of electronic and systems engineering at CTU. He taught over 40 undergraduate and graduate courses, electrical engineering, system engineering, computer engineering, physics, math. Faculty of the Year in Teaching Innovation. Again, this innovation theme runs through his bio. Author of Circuit Analysis for Dummies, which just fits me fine. And I've been looking at some of his YouTube videos, and they're really excellent. They were done a while ago, but they're really good. So he's been doing entrepreneurial work lately. Top 100 visionaries, or top 100 visionaries in education and global form of education and learning in Las Vegas. Produced hundreds of short videos, a number of YouTube channels based on circuit analysis for dummies. And again, I went and looked at some of those tonight, and I really thought they were very good. Another thing that I came across was, and I'd urge this unless I wasn't supposed to be looking at it, but johnsantiago.net, if you Google that, wow, just a lot of really interesting ways to display one's background and one's works. He has this wonderful bookshelf that has a number of the articles he's done in a virtual reality kind of format. It's really a kick. And I want to kind of end it on a little anecdote. About 2 years ago, I guess I was playing around with ChatGPT, and we were going to have an XCOM meeting, with John and David Bondurant. And before the meeting, I said, what are the top 10? This was ChatGPT. I said, what were the top 10 goals for IEEE, or what should they be, something. And it came back and gave me all this wonderful verbiage. And I thought, wow, that's kind of cool. So that night when we got together, I showed David and I showed John, and, I played around with it a little more. And I thought it was interesting and didn't think about it too much. But Dr. Santiago, being Dr. Santiago, really jumped in, and you'll see where he took this. Kind of typical, I kind of put it aside, and he's really taken it a lot of places, not only to his advantage, but to ours.